In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Slack history in one click. We'll keep this simple and fast by focusing on three things: the search bar to surface specific messages, saved items to revisit what you've marked for later, and a couple of keyboard shortcuts that make navigation feel instant. By the end, you'll move through past conversations without scrolling endlessly. Start with the search bar at the top of Slack. Click once to place your cursor, then type a keyword, a person's name, or a file name. Press Enter, and you'll see results grouped by messages, files, and more. If you want to narrow things down, use the filters that appear, like channel, person, or date, so you can hone in on the exact moment you're trying to find. When you click a result, Slack drops you right into the original conversation, positioned at that message in your history. That's the one-click experience. A single click on the result, and you're there. For even tighter searches, try typing a short phrase you remember from the message in quotes to match it exactly. Now, let's make sure the things you find are easy to access again. When you come across something you'll need later, save it. Hover over a message, click the save icon, and it's added to your saved items. To view those, click Saved Items in your sidebar. You'll get a clean list of everything you've marked, and opening any item jumps you right back to its place in the timeline. When you're done with something, you can unsave it to keep this list tidy. Think of saved items as your personal, quick access library of important messages and files. For speed, rely on keyboard shortcuts. Press Command plus K on Mac or Control plus K on Windows and Linux to open the quick switcher. Start typing a person or channel, hit Enter, and jump there instantly. Once inside a channel or direct message, press Command plus F on Mac or Control plus F on Windows and Linux to search within that conversation only. This is great when you know the discussion happened in a specific place and you want to spot it fast without leaving the view. To pull it all together, use the search bar to find what you need, save the most important results for one-click access later, and keep your hands on the keyboard to jump around without breaking your flow. With these three simple habits, your Slack history becomes easy to navigate and even easier to revisit.